This video will show you the L-TWOO brake fluid replacement. Before replacing the brake fluid, please read the following notice. Before oiling, adjust the stroke screw to allow mineral oil to fully enter the master cylinder to ensure the best braking effect. Mechanical shifter. Move the shift lever back to avoid interference during adjustment. Rotate the stroke screw until the brake lever aligns with the front end of the handle. Electronic shifter. Turn the stroke screw counterclockwise until it can no longer rotate. Remove the wheel set and brake pads, and insert the piston spacer. Install the oil injection syringe. Use a syringe to draw 20 milliliters of brake fluid, and expel the air from the syringe. Use a 3 mm hex tool to unscrew the oil port screw counterclockwise. Then screw in the syringe clockwise and tighten it. Flip the shifter cover. Use 2 mm hex tool to unscrew the oil port screw counterclockwise and screw in the cup clockwise. Lift the syringe vertically and slowly push the plunger, while leaving a reserve of 5 milliliters of brake fluid. Observe the oil cup, and you will notice bubbles forming. Insert the stopper plunger into the oil cup. Remove the cup, and screw back the oil port screw clockwise. Unscrew the air vent screw counterclockwise, and slowly push in the remaining brake fluid until it overflows from the vent, then stop pushing. This time, the air in the hydraulic system has been expelled. Back the air vent screw clockwise, wipe off the excess brake fluid, and flip the cover back in place. Unscrew the syringe and reinstall the oil port screw. Remove the piston spacer, reinstall the brake pads and wheel set. Thank you for watching this video.